guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are back in War Thunder, and today we are going to be grinding French aircraft. So we are a bit new to this game. It's only been like 2 weeks since I even downloaded this game, so let's play this. Alright. Alright. Okay. Everything going smooth so far. Let's go down just to like gain some speed. All right. Everything's cool. Just masking behind the radar. I mean, there is no radar here. This is like World War I, so this is gonna be like a bit different. I mean, keep in mind I just started, so we start with rank 1, also known as the World War I planes. This guy seems to be locked right at me, so let's get a gunshot at this guy. He's not in range. All right. All right. In a one circle fight, I think it's a split S. All right. All right. Alright. It's a little bit difficult here. There's so much aircraft here, guys. Well, this guy keeps overshooting me. Alright. Reversing. Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna do a vertical here. Alright, aircraft finished off. He's cooked. Next aircraft. Let's get back to outside view. Ooh. Alright. I'm a little bit less nimble than before. I'm leaking a lot, guys. Okay, hit. Yeah, I'm a little bit less nimble than before. So I am a little slow, guys. Alright, let's get this guy first. Oh my, I'm not nimble at all. Where is that guy? Alright, push nose down. Alright, I can't seem to. Alright, yeah, I'm eject. This is simply not good at all. Alright. Okay, Blitz King, I guess. Alright. This is my favorite aircraft, D501. It looks cool as well. So let's get into this guy. Alright. Once again we're doing the deep dive. Cool aerobatics here. Cockpit view. Cockpit looks cool. War Thunder cockpits do look amazing, guys. Like, this is actually like a masterpiece. Alright. Let's stay low. Again, it will look cool. Like, low and then just ambushing them. Alright. Just killing trees. In War Thunder, that's a fun thing to do. Just knocking down trees. Okay, this guy seems to be eager to shoot me. Oh no, never mind. He's going that way. Who's the closest guy? This guy? I'm pretty sure it is that guy. Alright. That guy's already finished off. Let's get this guy. Alright, okay, he overshot. Oh, he overshot. Alright. Alright. We're going. Okay, never mind, he crashed. Severely damaged aircraft kill counted. Alright, nice. This is actually going amazing, guys. Let's do a bit of a pass by this airfield and then. Alright. Ooh, this guy's coming up. Alright. I'm on a 6, guys. He's cooked. Alright. I'm gonna go to cockpit view. Oh. Alright, I gotta reload. I'm in a 2-circle fight. Hit. Alright, he seems to be eager on me. So let's finish this guy off. Enemy kill assist. Alright, that's good. Okay, his tail got cut off. Alright, this guy did not even notice me, so he's gonna be cooked. He already has a 6 on me. Alright, I'm gonna get this guy. Oh no, mission failed. Alright. Mission failed, but that was actually a fun game, guys. Alright, let's do one more game. Alright. That was actually amazing. Let me see my researched aircraft. Alright, everything's cool. Processing everything. Let me see my research. Everything's good? Alright. Yeah, this is my next research, guys. Stay tuned, because I'm actually grinding a lot to like get to the final one, which is to the jet aircraft like the Mirage 2000 or Rafale. Where's the Rafale? Or F-16s. Like I want to like start controlling those planes. And for that I have to like go all the way from level 1 to this. Let's do the aircraft we didn't do the last round. So D371, that seems like an agile aircraft. So let's try this one out. Let me see. Okay, this is I actually like War Thunder. It actually like shows what these bullets are and like how much damage they do. All right, we're doing a sunset version. All right. We're in a very tight formation here. He's in an American aircraft, isn't that? Yeah, that looks like an American aircraft from World War I. All right. Yo, that guy almost crashed into me. That's a little bit annoying when that happens. Ooh, those guys are shooting somewhere. Just for fun. It's kind of fun to like shoot down. All right. Let's do a deep dive. Just to gain some speed. We're already like 500 kilometers per hour. Just knocking down some random trees. It's just satisfying in this game for some reason. HE-100. That's a German aircraft. HE-112. Okay, these are German aircrafts. This guy seems to be going down in a very deep dive. That's why he's coming really close. Alright, he's right. Ooh, aircraft collision. At least he's dead. At least bro's dead, so it's still fine. D373, it's the same exact model that I did yesterday. I mean, that I did before this one, except a different color and stuff. And different guns as well. The sound is different. This might be more powerful, I guess, or less powerful. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. I want to see your thoughts in the comments real quick. HE-112. Okay. Oh, we can do that? Oh, we could check our six. In DCS, we have to do it all in the cockpit. This like we can even do that in the outside. With just a greater than button. Okay, that seems like a Nimrod. I kind of want to kill the Nimrod. Those are nimble aircraft. I mean, that's why it's even called Nimrod. It's like nimble. Okay, they have aerobatic smoke types. I wonder how you do that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get this yak one actually instead. Okay, somebody's shooting me. Alright. This guy's shooting me, so... Isn't this the guy who shot me? Okay, okay, I ran out of ammo. Okay, enemy kill assist, so that's good. Okay, merge with this guy. And he's already dead. Ooh, this guy's eager. Alright. Uh... Alright, aircraft destroyed already. Okay, that was good. Alright, this guy's coming up. Oh! That was almost a mid-air collision. Alright, back. Okay, this seems like a one circle fight. In a modern dogfight, it's like just one person. But in like these kind of dogfights, it's like a lot of people. Oh, okay, I killed that guy, but that guy hit my engine. At least my airplane didn't get killed. Let's see how much I can kill without an engine. Okay, I can't do this. I'm literally gliding right now. Let's just do a smooth landing. Okay, never mind. That was not smooth. Alright, let's wait until this mission ends. D501. Alright. Alright. Back down. Just to gain airspeed once again. Actually, no, twice again. I've done this like so much times. War Thunder's a cool game, man. Like, it's actually, it's like a simplified version of DCS. That's technically what it is. Doing a bit of barrel rolls. It's cool to do that. I like to mess around with the rudder sometimes. It's just cool like that. This is World War One, guys. This is how World War One is even like. It's like so much aircraft. You don't even know who to fight. That's how much aircraft there are. Now in a modern dogfight, it's like only like 4 or 5 aircraft versus another 5 or 4. It's like very simplified. Ooh, this guy's coming towards me. Alright. Merged. In a 2-circle fight. Fortunately, I'm faster than him. So, alright. Alright, enemy kill assist. That's good. Oh, he just killed himself. Alright. Ooh, revenge. Let's kill this guy. Never mind, he's already getting shot down. Oh, somebody's shooting me as well. Alright. Okay, he just crashed himself. Alright. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Wing got chopped off. Okay, that was bad. That's terrible. Wing got chopped off, guys. I still have one more aircraft to go. That was the aircraft I started with, the CR-714. All right, let's go back down. This one's a bit of a heavy aircraft. I mean, it has like 2 crew inside. This thing holds like up to like 2 crew. All right, let's just do a bit of a barrel roll. Yeah, this thing's heavy, guys. This thing is heavy. Alright. Who's the closest guy? This guy, Novo Base? Alright, let's get Novo Base. And he died. He just killed himself. Okay. Let's get the HE-51. Teamwork. Okay, that's good. Oh my god. Okay, that's bad. Wait, is this gonna actually like fight with one wing? Let's see if this thing can actually fight with one wing. There's no way I can actually do this. I'm fighting with one wing, guys. Alright. Come on. It's not that bad. Oh no. I have to reload. This is terrible, guys. But I hope this actually is possible. Let's get this guy. Let's get this guy. How am I actually doing this without a wing, guys? Okay, he's coming out to my 6, so helping from the rudder. Somebody's been dropping so much bombs. Alright. I'm actually fighting with one wing and doing decently good, guys. I just can't point the nose at them. Oh, he's shooting me. Did I just kill him? Did I just kill him with one wing? That's crazy. Okay. I gotta jump out. But that was actually fun, guys. With one wing and I actually killed someone. Like, that's actually amazing. Alright. Let's just spectate these guys. Okay, he's getting cooked. What is this, a French plane? This is a French plane or a Japanese plane? I think this is a Japanese plane, guys. Doing pretty decent. I can't seem to point the nose at him. Oh, they crashed at him though. He must be crashing out. Okay, let's just return to the hangar. That was actually fun, guys. Ooh, pretty nice, pretty cool wallpaper. Alright. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. That was actually fun playing War Thunder, and also you guys looking at it. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Please subscribe. Good night.